Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, today presenting this used Ford Kuga 1.5T EcoBoost ST-Line Edition. Finished in sleek black and powered by 1.5 litre petrol engine delivering 150 PS through manual transmission, this Kuga brings dynamic performance and everyday usability. This Ford Kuga makes a strong impression with its full body styling kit, sporty black mirror caps, as well as automatic halogen headlights with LED daytime running lights, which add striking visibility, while the red brake calipers and 19-inch alloy wheels enhance its boldy stance. At the back you'll find dual exhaust outlets and distinctive LED rear lights, which add a sporty touch too. The Kuga's boot is wide and easily accessible, ideal for family life or weekend trips. The 60/40 split folding rear seats with reclining function offer flexible loading options. Rear passengers benefit from comfortable seating, adjustable headrests and center armrests with cup holders, ensuring a relaxed ride for all occupants. At the front, the flat-bottom leather steering wheel with red stitching and sporty alloy pedals underline its performance-inspired cabin. The front seats feature height and lumbar adjustment for added comfort, and passengers can also enjoy Panoramic Sunoof. The multifunction steering wheel provides intuitive control over media, phone and cruise settings, and behind it clear driver dials display essential information, while the Ford Power Starter button adds a touch of convenience. On offer is dual zone electronic automatic temperature control, keeping both driver and passengers comfortable, as well as infotainment system with radio and media via Ford Sync 3 with crisp DEP audio, Bluetooth and mobile apps for seamless connectivity, also thanks to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You also get navigation system with clear guidance, plenty of settings, as well as voice control for hands-free operation and feedback from the parking sensors for stress-free maneuvering in any situation. This has been a presentation of the Ford Kuga 1.5T EcoBoost ST-Line Edition. For more information, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.